All right, guys, we got a 2009 Pontiac GT G8. This is what it sounds like factory. Give a guess. Again. Pontiac G8 2009. As you guys can see, it's very, very quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 84. Again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the resonator, one of the resonators off, and both rear mufflers. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, so we showed you what it looks like before. 2009 G8. This is what it looks like after. So still got factories, converters, they're there. Then we did a mid muffler or mid resonator delete, dual in, dual out. Kept the second set of the resonators there. Then we left the 2.25 pipe, and we did a rear muffler delete there and right there. And we kept the original tips for now. He's gonna come back and we'll change them out for him. But for right now, he didn't have the funds, which I understand. So we left the original tips. There's the mufflers we cut off. As you guys see, they're massive to keep it quiet. There and there. There's the resonator. So dual in, dual out. The other side, you can see it looks the same as this side. So there's the mufflers, there's the resonators. That's what it looks like after. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner. So like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Much better. Pontiac GT G8. Look at that pop. That sounds nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Oh, I love that pop. One more. Grab it higher. That sounds phenomenal. Go ahead and back it up. It's only got 40,000 miles on it now, which is nothing for 2008. It's unmolested. This is the first thing they actually done to it. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Man, that was fast.